Urecord is a versatile recording software that can record 4K video. Let's get to know the Urecord interface. Let's explore how Urecord's features are used today. Before you record, you can set the audio. You can select different audio, including internal audio, mic, and internal. You can also choose video bitrate. Teachers can also turn on the camera and record the state of the student's lesson. Let's use the annotation feature. Teachers can annotate key points at any time. When using the annotation function, the screen will be locked and cannot be swiped at will. Use the eraser to erase unwanted content. Now, tap the brush again to end the annotation feature and unlock the screen. The screen is unlocked and free to swipe. Click here to start recording video. If the interface covers important content, you can minimize it. And you can drag it around as much as you like. Pause button and end button. Click here to pause, and click here to finish recording and save the file. Now we can find the file we just saved by clicking on the folder icon. Choose the way to open and browse. Click on Share and select Time. Student can scan the QR code with the mobile phone and get the contents of the file. You can also open the Urecord in your mind. This feature is perfect for teachers who want their students to be able to learn by recording again after a lesson. Click End and save when the course is over.